This video is for anyone feeling unexplainable shifts in their body, mind, or spirit, and wondering if they're signs of something deeper, a spiritual awakening. Have you ever felt your body shifting in ways that you couldn't explain, like a quiet hum beneath the surface of your daily life? Maybe your sleep feels different, your appetite changes, or you sense energy moving through you like never before. These aren't just random occurrences, they are signs of something extraordinary unfolding within you, a spiritual awakening. Today, we'll uncover 6 profound physical signs that show your body is attuning to a higher state of being. But these are more than signs, they're messages from your soul, guiding you on your journey. Let's explore together. 1. Energy sensitivity. Feeling vibrations or tingling. Imagine this. You're sitting quietly, perhaps meditating or just reflecting, and you notice a soft tingling at the top of your head or in your palms. It feels almost electric, like a current running through your body. This sensation isn't random, it's your energy field awakening. As your spiritual awareness grows, your body becomes more attuned to subtle energies, often felt as vibrations or tingling. These sensations are strongest in areas connected to energy centers, or chakras, especially the crown chakra, which opens you to universal consciousness. Research on biofields, published in Global Advances in Health and Medicine, shows that humans emit measurable electromagnetic energy. During awakening, this field intensifies, and you begin to feel it physically. Your body is not just a physical structure, it's an energy vessel. When you feel these vibrations, it's a sign that you're realigning with your infinite nature. The next time you feel these sensations, pause and imagine yourself as a tuning fork, resonating with the frequency of the universe. This is your body's way of saying, you're in harmony now. 2. Sleep becomes an adventure. Have you noticed your sleep feeling different? Not just restful, but almost otherworldly? Maybe your dreams become vivid, full of symbols and hidden meanings. Or perhaps you wake up at odd hours, feeling like you've been somewhere else entirely. During spiritual awakening, your subconscious mind becomes an active playground for growth. The dreams you have may carry messages, insights, or even glimpses into higher realms. In spiritual terms, this is your soul exploring and integrating lessons beyond the physical world. From a scientific perspective, altered sleep patterns are linked to shifts in brain activity during meditation and heightened states of awareness, as studied in Frontiers in Psychology. Sleep is no longer just rest, it becomes a portal, a bridge between your conscious self and the infinite. Take advantage of this. Before you sleep, set an intention. Say to yourself, tonight, I am open to the wisdom of my dreams. Keep a notebook by your bed. What you write in the morning might surprise you. It could be the universe whispering truths directly to you. 3. Changes in appetite, the body's wisdom. Have you ever woken up one day and felt like your usual cravings have vanished? Maybe you're drawn to lighter, plant-based foods, or you feel the need to drink more water. During spiritual awakening, your body's relationship with food shifts as it seeks nourishment that matches your higher vibration. This isn't just about physical health, it's about energetic alignment. Heavier, processed foods may feel less appealing because they don't resonate with your awakening energy. A study in nutritional neuroscience reveals how diet influences not just physical health, but also mood and cognitive function, tying directly to spiritual clarity. Your body is intelligent. When you listen to it, you're not just feeding yourself, you're honoring your vessel. The next time you're drawn to a fresh piece of fruit or a glass of water, pause and express gratitude. Say, "Thank you, body, for guiding me to what I need." This simple act of mindfulness transforms eating into a spiritual practice. 4. Unexplained aches, ascension symptoms. Imagine feeling an ache in your back or a pressure in your forehead with no apparent cause. It might feel unsettling, even frustrating, but what if these sensations are your body's way of releasing old energy? Unexplained aches, especially along the spine, neck, or head, are often referred to as ascension symptoms. These physical sensations happen because your energy body is recalibrating to a higher frequency. Think of your body as a musical instrument being tuned. The discomfort isn't a problem, it's the adjustment that allows you to play the harmony of your new vibration. Studies in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine suggest that mindfulness practices can influence how the body processes these shifts. Pain is not your enemy. It is a messenger, urging you to release what no longer serves your highest self. 5. A pull toward nature, the earth as a teacher. Imagine standing barefoot on grass, feeling the warmth of the sun on your skin, or listening to the rustle of leaves in the wind. Suddenly, the world feels alive, connected to you in a way you've never noticed before. During spiritual awakening, nature becomes more than scenery, it becomes a teacher. The energy of the earth grounds you, while its rhythms remind you that life unfolds perfectly in cycles. Scientific studies on forest bathing, published in Environmental Health and Preventive Medicine, show that time in nature reduces stress, lowers blood pressure, and enhances feelings of well-being. Spiritually, it's a homecoming, a reminder that you are part of the natural world, not separate from it. When you connect with nature, you connect with yourself. The same life force that moves through rivers and trees flows through you. 6th, heightened sensitivity to light and sound. Imagine walking into a bright room or hearing a familiar song, but it feels overwhelming, almost as if your senses have become sharper. This heightened sensitivity to light, sound, or even smells is a common sign of spiritual awakening. Why does this happen? As your awareness expands, your nervous system becomes more attuned to the energy around you. Light may feel brighter, sound sharper, or sense more pronounced because you're experiencing the world with heightened clarity. A study in The Neuroscientist discusses how mindfulness and heightened states of awareness can increase sensory perception, suggesting that this sensitivity is linked to your body's recalibration to spiritual energy. Your senses are awakening with you. What once felt ordinary now reveals its hidden beauty, asking you to see life in its fullness. Your body is not just a vessel, it's a partner on your spiritual journey. These signs, energy shifts, adventurous sleep, unexplained aches, changes in appetite, and a deeper connection to nature are reminders that your body and soul are working together to bring you closer to awakening. Listen to your body, for it speaks the language of your soul. Which of these signs have you noticed in your life? Share your experiences. We're all walking this path together, learning, growing, and awakening.